Dr. Jen Ashton here, and there's a new study about, we now kind of have these patient portals, we have for several years. If you get a test, any kind of lab test, you can then see your results. Right. I'm not a doctor though. I'm not necessarily sure what I'm reading, yet I have access to information, and it's controversial to be able to give, even though it's my results. We're not necessarily talking to a doctor to understand what we're reading.
So it's more of the interesting discussion on this. It's a 21st century Cures Act that was passed back in 2016. So again, to your point, this is not new, but what it really was going for was patient access, transparency to their own information, medical information. So this would be biopsy results, blood tests, cultures, imaging, et cetera, et cetera. It goes immediately onto a patient portal, and in some cases, the patient will see that many times before the healthcare provider. Pros and cons to that. You were saying that's happened to you.
Before.
You've spiraled in anxiety, panic, searching, calling your brother who's a doctor. TJ was saying, well, isn't this a good thing? I want to have access to my results immediately. I think the true answer lies really somewhere in between, right? A lot of times doctors are so delayed in getting a patient their results, but this is, in my opinion, a perfect example of just because you have the results doesn't mean you know how to interpret them, and that's where you need the healthcare provider.
Why can't they make sure the results come with an explainer of some kind? Right?
Because it's not a one-size-fits-all. That's where you need a real human and not necessarily a robot or a computer. So interesting, though. See?
It is.
One side and the other.
Yep. Thank you. That's usually the way it is.
Well, hey there, GMA fans. Robin Roberts here. Thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Lots of great stuff here. So go on, click the subscribe button right over here to get more of awesome videos and content from GMA every day, anytime. We thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the morning on GMA.